Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make a heart-shaped hand-tied bouquet with white and red roses. You will need about 10 white roses and 20 to 24 red roses. You'll also need some aspidistra leaves and some baby's breath. Clean your roses of any thorns or any leaves and cut them shorter. Watch out for all the tiny little thorns that are hidden on any of the leaves. Make sure you take all of that off. So for the white roses, we're going to be using this scheme. We're going to start off with 1 rose and then add 2, 3, and then 4. And this is your 10 roses right here. And this is basically how we're going to build off the heart shape. And then later we will be putting red roses around like that. So then that will be the heart shape. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So I'm going to do 1 and then 2 and then the 3, and then I'm going to add the 4 right under that. Now I'm going to begin adding the red roses. Just add them all along the perimeter of the white roses. Now, once you've received your desired heart shape, you can fix any roses or anything around in order to make it perfect. Going to wrap your roses in some tape. And then we're going to proceed with the baby's breath. Make sure you cut your baby's breath into smaller pieces so that they're easier to work with. Simply going around the perimeter of the bouquet, adding baby's breath. Once you've finished with the baby's breath, you're just going to secure it with some tape. And now we will be adding the leaves for support. So you're simply going to take the aspidistra leaf, bend it over like this, grab it with your hand, and do that all around the perimeter of the bouquet. Secure it with the tape. And cut off any stems that you do not need. And the final step will be wrap it with some ribbon. Once you've finished with the leaves, you're now going to wrap the stem in some ribbon. Simply just going around the bottom part of the bouquet. Wrapping it up. You're going to cut it with a pair of scissors. And you're going to take some pins and secure it. The final part will be to take some mesh. You're going to cut it to the size of the bouquet. You're going to take your stapler and you're going to curl the top and staple it together. Simply place it down and then attach the two ends together. Using a stapler, securing them. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.